Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Gmail. So once you're in your Gmail account, guys, there's two ways how to actually do this. One is to simply go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and go to manage your Google account. This is going to open up a new tab. On the left hand side, click on personal info, and here you will see name. So go ahead and click on that and click on your name again, and this is going to allow you to change your name. So if I want to say Drew, I don't know, let's say Toots, I can go ahead and I can just put that in and click and save, and that's going to change the name in my account, right? The other way is to do that within your Google account. So once you're in Google, you can click the gear on the upper right hand side and click and see all settings. Then from here, click in account and import. At the top there, scroll down a bit and you will find send mail as. If you click on edit info, you can change the name here as well. So as you can see here, you want to choose this option where you can put the name. So if I don't want to say tutorial and just want to say Drew or Drew Toots, I can go ahead and I can say that as well and click and save. And that's going to basically change it. So that's what it will look like, as you can see here, when the email is sent by my email. And that's pretty much it, guys.